How to edit a TikTok video after posting. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can edit a TikTok video after posting. Now, if you open up the app and head over to your profile by tapping on the profile icon, and here you'll be able to see all your posted videos, and if you head to the private or lock icon on the screen, then you'll be able to see all your private videos here. However, on TikTok, you don't have an option to edit a video after posting. You can't edit its status, you can't edit the video itself after you have posted it. The only way around is what you can do is open up the video and then you can tap on the three dots on the video and you can download it, or you can save the video. You can see save video option, and once you save it, you can head over to plus icon on the screen and then head over to upload, and then you can select the same video and then tap on next, and then you can edit it again and then post it. So this is the only way you can edit a TikTok video after posting. There is no any other way. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.